Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air3i on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to the search and click at the search line at the top. You need to write HeyMelody. Okay, we have it, search, and you need to install the application what's called HeyMelody. Now open it, agree and continue, add, hello. Did we have it? Yeah. And we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check this video at this channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!